everyone, this is Hunter's Roll Gaming here. Welcome back to Five Nights at Wario's 4. So we're still in night 1 though, but Wario gave a suggestion of what to do with Wario. If the TV's off or if the radio is on, he will actually invade all channels at once. But if Wario is on the channel that you're watching, immediately, turn off the brightness. So I don't know if that's gonna work, possibly. We'll might just figure that one out. And we'll just wait for a little bit until he actually resets. Means go away. Let's get the remote, turn the TV on, and then night 1. Here we go. Alright. So the brightness here. Oh shit. Oh. What? Oh, okay, turn the power back on. Alright. Okay, let's see what the news is going on.
Good evening, all viewers. We come with an extra news report. We ask all of you to listen carefully. Recently, we've gotten reports of a strange figure appearing on people's favorite TV shows. We assume this is the work of some hackers, but if that's true, we do not know their intentions yet. It seems like the figure slowly invades the channel you are currently watching, but apparently, if he invades the channel you're watching, you won't be able to see him until you refresh the channel by either turning the brightness on or off, or switching to another channel and back again. The people who have reported this said that they tried to turn the brightness off for a little while when the figure appeared, and apparently he went away. According to the reports we've gotten, turning the TV off or switching to the radio will allow this figure to fully invade all channels at the same time. This is somehow gives these hackers easier access to your TV when you're not watching any of the normal channels. It looks like this figure can get you if he fully invades the channel you're watching, but having the TV off will allow him to get you through any channel if he invades one of them completely. So dear viewers, only turn the TV off if it's absolutely necessary for the next couple days. If you, for example, need to charge the batteries, and like I said, he can apparently invade all channels while listening to the radio too, but he can't approach you like he can when the TV is off. So we advise everyone at home to stay away from the radio as well. Please keep the TV on.
Okay, I'll keep the TV on and the radio, off. Let's go to the radio. We'll see what's going on. Oh. Okay, so where is the power? Okay. I'm already getting scared because of the damn TV right now. Oh my god. Alright. What's going on? Oh. I'm knowing where the... I might just, turn the... Was that the dog barking? Oh, shit! Okay, he's there! He's there! Alright, this is getting really scary. Alright. What's going on? Where's... Okay. I listen on Wario is only on the news channel, that's great! Ah! Ah! Alright! Woo! Woo! Oh, damn. That was fun. I just turned the brightness off and he just went away. He resets. Wow! Oh, he's still there! Oh, wait a minute. If I go here, I'm gonna turn the brightness off. Boom. Yeah, you can't get me now, Wario. I have the brightness off and you can go fuck yourself, bro. Okay, turn the power off and recharge the battery on my remote. Then turn the power back on. So I get... Oh, cool. Okay, where the hell is Wario? Oh, shit! He's right at the cemetery! Turn it off! Wait! Cooking with Wario? Where the fuck's that? No! Hey! Hurry up! Damn you, where the fuck? The bell! Ah! Okay. Okay, he's there. Woo! Is he gone? Cool, he's gone. Turn the TV off. Whew. I can only assume that Wario is dead. Fuck. Fuck. Well, that was not bad. What do I do with the radio? Where's the power button for the goddamn radio? What?
Nope.
Nope. Oh, I saw the automatic standby. Oh, okay. Okay. Yeah, I've heard it enough. But like I said, you're not allowed to actually watch the channel for too long because it automatically stand it by. Oh shit, what the fuck's that? Oh fuck! Okay. He might be able to go away, that's for sure. Boom! There you go! Go screw yourself, Wario! Okay, he's right in the news channel, alright? Oh my god, if I turn the brightness off, it actually decreases the power of batteries. Oh my fucking god, if I have it for too long, he might be able to kill you. Might have it on. Holy shit, I think I'm already scared. If I keep it... Hey! Oh no! He's right there! Did you see that? He was right there! He was right by the fucking remote. Boom! Yeah! Alright. Now to the next channel. Oh, okay, he's right at the cemetery. And what? Yep, cooking with Wario. Not Emma. Did Wario kill Emma? Did he seriously turn her immortal like him? He's already invading channels, okay? Okay, what is it now? Oh, I thought I almost died. Okay, yep, cooking with fucking Wario. Perfect! And look what it changes. Here, hold on. And cooking with Emma's back right there. Okay. Hey. No! What do I do with the fucking radio? What the fuck do I do with the fucking radio? Can you give me a suggestion? Because there's no power button for the fucking radio. If there's something on the keyboard that interacts with the radio, there might be able to be a keyboard, like a button on the keyboard for the power for the radio, like to turn off or something, because if the TV is off and the radio is on, Wario will definitely invade all channels at once, and he might be able to make it faster to make it to 6 a.m., or otherwise you'll just end up dying multiple times while surviving, like, the first night shift. Like, it's really hard to do it. Yeah, like already the first night shift is, like, really, really hard. And you might be able to actually switch to the different channel or turn off the brightness so that way he will definitely reset by not actually invading the channels at once, okay? Right, there you go. That was Five Nights at Wario 4. Yet another episode. If you haven't checked out the last one together with Nick Bear, LTU, Jeezy, and Buddy Entertainment, link will be in the description below. Thank you all for watching yet another episode of Five Nights at Wario 4. Give me a suggestion of what to do with the power button on the radio, so that way it doesn't come on when Wario actually invades all channels at once. So he might be unstoppable, and there's got to be a better way to turn off the radio. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, everyone!